Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher and get this free app from this developer. Launcher iOS 16. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, select while using and allow in all pop-ups. Then go back. And after closing Launcher app, go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to access Apps section. Then tap on Manage Apps. Tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Default Apps. Lastly, click on Launcher. Select iOS 1, click on Home button and tap on Got It. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can do that by going into exactly the same settings and tapping on System Launcher or iOS 1. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!